there is a system here that takes care of us without asking us at all anything. And that we choose which doctor according to some kind of proficiency, according to different inquiries that we make. Should we, shouldn't we, and so on. Meaning, the upper providence gave a doctor, as it says, a doctor was given permission to heal. And not only the doctor. And to give a teacher the permission to teach, you think that it's less important. He shapes the child for life. So really, why is it called so that a doctor was given permission to heal? Who gives the doctor permission to heal or cure? Nature does. Nature gives him permission to cure, of course. So beyond the fact that he's talented and everything, no, this is how it's arranged in the general system of nature, where the representatives of this general nature in our world are different such doctors, teachers, our parents that take care of a person in different ways in order to bring him to the probably correct state where a person already uses his free choice in order to realize the goal for which he was born for and exists. And so especially, these are first of all his parents, then his teachers, and then doctors. What should a patient's attitude be towards the doctor? Up until now, we talked more about the doctor in relation to the patient. What should the patient's relation toward the doctor be? He has to go to a doctor that he believes, not half, not a quarter, but 100%, because the success of the treatment depends on the trust that he has in the doctor. To the extent to which he believes in the doctor, depends also the success of the treatment. Because still, we consist of emotions and intellect and different systems that influence us, and the nervous system and the system of how you think, and different systems where I'm in self-persuasion and how much that helps me to get up and become healthy and so on. Therefore, I have to choose a doctor that first and foremost I trust in, that I can rely on. Okay. And only this way, if we're talking about health and doctors. In regard to teachers, it's the same. The only thing we don't choose is our parents, but all the rest. I trust in my parents and in myself that together we choose our teachers and doctors, and also I rely on society in this regard. Now, if I'm not a doctor who's connected to the upper force, but to a computer, and they will heal me, then they're not connected to the upper force. How will they heal me then? First of all, a doctor also, all in all, wants to loyally pass on to you the forces of nature for them to work on you. So what's the difference whether this machine is built correctly and it works properly, or it's the doctor?